Welcome to our channel Smart Story.
50 plus sports and games in English with pictures. Types of sports. 1. Outdoor sports. 2. Indoor sports. 3. Athlete sports. 4. Winter sports. 5. Adventure and fun sports. Let's start with first type. Outdoor sports. Football. Cricket. Basketball. Tennis. Baseball. Hockey. Volleyball. Badminton. Golf. Rugby. American football. Lacrosse. Polo. Next comes second type. Indoor games. Table tennis. Chess. Carom. Bowling. Snooker or billiards. Darts. Gymnastics. Martial arts. Fencing. Wrestling. Judo. Arm wrestling. Now third type. Water sports. Swimming. Diving. Water polo. Surfing. Synchronized swimming. Rowing. Canoeing. Scuba diving. Sailing. Now comes fourth type. Athletes and racing sports. Running. Long jump. Pole vault. Hurdles race. Cycling. Javelin throw. Shot put. Discus throw. Now comes our cool type. Winter sports. Skiing. Ice skating. Snowboarding. Ice hockey. Sledding. Bobsleigh. Figure skating. Next type is adventure and fun sports. Skateboarding. Roller skating. Rock climbing. Trampoline. Park hour. Horse riding. Archery. BMX racing. Sumo wrestling. Kickboxing. Sepak takraw. Did you know soccer is the most popular sport in the world? Did you know the longest tennis match lasted over 11 hours? Chess is over 1,500 years old. The fastest swimming stroke is the front crawl. Did you know the Winter Olympics happens every 4 years?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel Smart Story.